want to have it pan around and show. I saw you on the screen. Okay, let me put you in here. I'll let it video a little bit regular. Okay. Okay, right. Left. Okay. We turned around and we're heading back. Oops, I didn't mean to start videoing. I wanted to turning. Oh gosh. That was fun, Rena. Daddy said that you can go with him.
Which life jacket is she gonna take? Yours?
Now we've got Callie. Do you like it? You like it, baby?
Look, Grandma.
Oh, Grandma can't hear you over there. And Daddy's doing all the work. And we get to just chill. Okay, go ahead, Callie.
We finally got to the river today.
Did we?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Mm-hmm.
You were such a good girl, being patient and waiting.
Mm-hmm.
There's Callie.
There's Callie.
I can't tell what I'm videoing, but I think you're in it.
Don't drop it in the pool.
Well, in the river. But if I do, it'll float. We'll have a chance to go get it. This will help it float.
Okay.
But I'd rather not drop it at all.
I won't reach down and get the crocodile without it.
There's no crocodiles. Maybe some gators, but no crocodiles. So pretty.
There's some gators in there. Another small one.
Yes.
That's
Cat-
another one.
Callie keeps saying she sees another small crocodile and alligator. Daddy said that him and Papa saw a small alligator when they were out here.
See? There is no
Oh, gorgeous.
alligators.
That scene is so pretty.
There's no alligators
Yeah.
coming out.
Well, no, I'm not coming out to get you.
But the kayak is wet.
Yeah, because it's in the water.
Okay. There's some more tiny crocodiles over there.
Callie. You're a mess, Callie.
And then I see some more over there.
Well, tell Daddy to hurry. I don't have a paddle.
Crocodiles.
But Papa's got the other paddle.
I see some more bubbles. And some more tiny crocodiles. And some more tiny crocodiles over there. I think I see some bubbles and some more over there.
All 5 of them?
Here you go, Callie. You can see what you're videoing, okay? Whatever you see on the screen is what you're videoing. Tell what you were saying.
We finally got to the river, and here's Papa, and here's Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Hi, and here's the trees,
Oh, you're gonna.
and here's the kayak.
YouTube viewers.
Here's the kayaks. I saw.
Wait, you gotta keep your video up. They're seeing the ground. And don't touch.
I saw.
Don't put your finger on it.
I saw 10 of us.
Oh, we didn't see any. We're gonna get dizzy watching that video, Callie.
Okay. And here is the handle of the little kayak. And here's the leaves. And here's sister. Hi, sister. Hi. And here's Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Oops.
Hi, Callie.
Oops. It's just.
It's still video and the screen went off. I don't know how to make the screen stay on longer. Okay.
You can just turn it back on.